नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, visitors, viewers, Sarvanyapeta Yajamans, Kartas, Shrimahans, Mahans, Kotari, Tanedar, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Nityananda Yogam participants, Nityananda Hindu University students, Nityananda E-Gurukul students, and everyone watching live on YouTube, Facebook Live, Enlighten app, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Twitter, and two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, second day of Avatara Dina Brahmotsava, the Nityananda Paramashivan's Utsava Murti is adorned in Sarva Alankara, gracing in the Leela Alankara of giving darshan as Arunagiri Yogishwara, bringing down the Navagrahas to the planet Earth in miniature forms to teach Jyotisha. Let's first receive the grace and blessings by offering Aarti and devotion, then enter into the satsang.
अथ धूपः ॐ धूरसि धूर्धूर्वन्तं धूर्वतयो ओस्मान् धूर्वदितं धूर्वयं वयं धूर्वामस्त्वं देवानामसि सत्नितमं प्रप्रथमं जुष्टुतमं वह्नितमं देवहूतमं हृतमसिर्हविर्दानं त्रिगुंहस्वमाह्वा आमित्रः सत्त्वा चक्षुषा प्रेक्ष्यर्माभिर्मा संविक्ता मात्वाहि गुंशिषुम् सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः। धूपमाग्रापयामि। ॐ उद्दीप्य स्वजातवेदोपघ्नं निररितिं मम वसुगुश्चमह्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दश मानो हि गुंसीर्जातवेदो कामस्वं पुरुषं जगत् अभिद्रदग्न आगहि श्रियामा परिपातय। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः। दीपं दर्शयामि। ॐ मधुवातारतायते मधुक्षरन्ति सिन्धवः माध्वीर्नः सन्तोषति मधुनक्तमुत्तोषसि मधुरपार्थिवगुमृषः मधुद्योरस्तु नः पिता मधुमान्नो वनस्पतिर्मधुमागुमस्तु सूर्यः माध्वीर्गावो भवन्तु नः। मधु मधु मधु। श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः। अमृतं महानैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। ॐ न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुठोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भाषा सर्वमिदं विभाति। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः। कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि।
Today's message from Kailasa. Listen. Shanti centric Shakti. Shanti based Shakti. Mukti based Bhakti. Bhakti based Mukti. Just these 3 lines. Listen carefully. Shanti based Shakti. Mukti centered Bhakti. Bhakti centered Mukti. Listen carefully. The space of Shanti, is where Kailasa grows. Listen carefully. It is in the deep powerfulness of peace, or peace-centered powerfulness is the ground, breeding ground for Paramashivatva to manifest. Please understand. Like how pure mirror reflects everything, pure Shanti based Shakti, peace based powerfulness reflects Paramashiva. Paramashiva manifests in peace based powerfulness. Please understand. Neither violence nor powerlessness. Powerlessness is weakness. Violence is abusive. Peace-centered powerfulness. Powerfulness-centered peace. All the Upanishads starts with peace, completes with peace. Shanti mantra. Starts with Shanti mantra, gets completed with Shanti mantra. Peace-based powerfulness is a fundamental requirement for Paramashivatva to manifest. That is why people who don't want us to manifest Paramashivatva or power manifestation do not want to allow the peace in our life, or do not want peace in our campus. Understand? But only if you are peaceful, which cannot be shaken even by the demons and devils and rakshasas, we can be in eternal peace. So, remember this very clearly. Peace alters the very DNA structure, genetic structure, the core Anu Mahat structure. Understand? Anoraniyan Mahato Mahiyan. The consciousness in you is atom inside the atom, Mahat more than Mahat. That Anoraniyan Mahato Mahiyan. That consciousness starts growing in you with more and more peace-based powerfulness developing in you. Nothing can be compared to unclutching. spend more and more time, energy in unclutching. It will never be wasted. Time spent on unclutching is the most productive time for you in your life, because unclutching completely makes you altogether a different material. Understand? It makes your very biomemory, muscle memory, core structure, molecular structure, genetic structure, DNA structure, everything, all the 8 energy flow circuits, 7 energy flows, 1 the pure conscious explosion. So totally 8 energy flow circuits exist in you. All the 8 explodes when you unclutch. Understand? Unclutching is the space of Sri Kailasa. All my disciples and all my Sri Kailasas, all my Adinams and Ashrams, temples, gurukuls, every person and every place associated with me should radiate the power of unclutching. Absolute peace-centered powerfulness. Peace-centered powerfulness in the very air, in the very garden, in the very entrance. All our temples, ashrams, Adinavasis, devotees, disciples, anyone follows me. Understand? This is the brand. Your 3 eyes should radiate the peace-centered powerfulness. People should know, what is this? So much is going on. Our devotees should be in a space. No sudu, no sornai, no bothered, any titting, any abusing, no sudu, no sornai, no bothering, no disturbance, absolute peace, love, joy, bliss. Titting, mouthil, blood vending, getting earsil, no blood vending. Titting, mouthil, blood vending, getting ears, peacefully existing. Understand? No sudu, no sarnai, no problem. Is brand of Nityananda. Neither violent nor agitated or powerlessness. Absolute peace. Peace established in powerfulness. Powerfulness established in peace. That's a space of Sri Kailasa. Understand? I want to tell you. All the devotees whom I really love sincerely, who are in love with me, learn this secret. I tell you absolutely. With all my integrity to Paramashiva, I promise. Paramashiva is real. Sri Kailasa is real. Kalabhairava is real. Nandi is real. Ganapati is real. Subramanya is real. Parashakti is real. Vishnu is real. The space of Sri Kailasa is real. I tell you. It is just to tell this to all of you and inspire all of you. give you the glimpse of this experience so that the virtuous circle will start in you. See, once I give you one experience, then you start moving towards the Paramashiva. Then he gives more experience. Then you start moving towards him more. This is what I call virtuous circle. Pushing this virtuous circle to start is what is the job of Guru. And maintaining the virtuous circle and increasing the speed is job of the Linga and Sangha. Understand? That is why I sincerely request all the viewers, please register for Atmalinga Mandala process. Coming December 14th and 15th, we have 2-day Atmalinga Mandala process and Vishesha Diksha initiation. All of you will receive Atmalinga made out of the space of Kailasa. Understand? When the space of Kailasa is brought and made into material, matter, it becomes Spatika. And that Kailasa energy, Sri Kailasa energy, is filled in that and given to you as a gift. Send an email, register programs.nityananda.org/Atmalinga. It's completely free program. You can come to any one of our Sri Kailasa all over the world, any one of the ashrams, temples, gurukuls, universities, adhinams, and receive the Atmalinga. Understand? Peace-centered powerfulness is the fragrance, breathing space of Sri Kailasa, Paramashiva. Bring extreme peace, peace-centered power manifestation, peace-centered powerfulness. More and more completion inside, more and more unclutching inside. Throw all the rubbish out through cathartic processes, detox processes. Do samskara dahana kriya, do mrigasharira vasa. All these are detox processes. Do nirahara samyama. Unclutch, unclutch, unclutch. Unclutching is such ultimate. As I said, it makes you altogether a different metal. I have seen how unclutching makes people powerful. Somebody sent a message. I want to know what is being taught in Nityananda Sangha. All the devotees and disciples, men, women, especially women, are standing so strong for Swamiji. What is being taught? Simple, unclutching. Any titting, any abusing, any negativity, any false, any rumor, no sudu, no sornai, no agitation, no disturbance, no agitation, no powerlessness, no violence. Titting fellow while bloodwanding, getting person ears, silent peacefula irnding. Absolute powerfulness centered peace, peace centered powerfulness. Not the peace out of weakness, no. Powerfulness, peace centered on powerfulness. Anoraniyan mahato mahiyan. The consciousness which is atom inside the atom and universe more than the universe, that starts growing inside your body when you start developing the practices which raises the peace-centered powerfulness. Understand? Peace-centered powerfulness starts growing in your life with these 5 things. Detoxing methods like samskara dakana kriya, mrigasharirvasa, nirahara samyama, unclutching, completion. Do all these practices. Deeper and deeper peace-centered powerfulness will start growing. Peace-centered powerfulness makes you different, metal altogether. It changes the very structure of your DNA, molecular structure, biomemory, muscle memory, the very quality of bioenergy. Anoraniyan mahato mahi. I want all my sannyasis, all my brahmacharis, brahmacharinis, the devotees, disciples, to start practicing more and more intense unclutching. See, while you are active in your day-to-day life itself, the inner space should have that cool, unclutched Shanti, Paramashanta Swarupaya. That Paramashiva, who is Paramashanta Swarupa, should be manifesting, should be radiating in you. Carry the Paramashanta Swarupa, Paramashiva, in you continuously. More and more peace by unclutching, more and more power manifestation. More and more power manifestation will lead more and more peace and unclutching. That's a beauty. More power manifestation, more unclutching. More unclutching, more power manifestation. All Vedagamic truths leads you to absolute peace and powerfulness. Because every Upanishad starts with Shanti, ends with Shanti. We call it Shanti mantra itself. There will be always few lines with Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. It's called Shanti mantra. There are around 60 Shanti mantras throughout all the 4 Vedas, used in multiple places. Every Upanishad will start only with Shanti mantra and end only with Shanti mantra. Because the pure peace-based powerfulness-based peace is a breeding ground for Paramashiva to manifest. That is why from the time immemorial, Our masters always went to forest to practice Shanti based Shakti, Shakti based Shanti. People are asking me the question, what is Mrigasharira Vasa? If you go to our YouTube and see the satsangs, I have spoken elaborately. Mrigasharira Vasa means detoxing yourself from all the animalistic patterns. There are 4 basic fundamental animalistic patterns: hunger, anger, extreme violence based sex, sex based violence. The mess up of violence being delusively considered as sex and sex being delusively understood as violence. These are the 4 patterns animalistic. Detox yourself from that. You can see funny thing. Violently raping is considered as sex, and the fighting seems to be more like a sexual activity. That is why the porn addicts enjoy this fight-based sex, sex-based violence, violence-based sex. One misconstrued as other and deluded into other is animalistic patterns. Hunger, anger, confused, deluded violence, confused, deluded sex. This 4 is the animalistic patterns. Detox yourself. If you detox yourself from this 4, you grow that Shanti, Paramashanta Swarupa, and you manifest. Paramashanta, and you manifest Paramashivatva. Nothing can be compared to the strength of the peace you have grown inside. The quality of the peace based powerfulness is called maturity as per the Vedic tradition. Aging is not maturity in Vedic tradition. The Paramashanta which grows in you is maturity in Vedic tradition. Paramashanta Swarupa. Meditate on Paramashiva. Connect with Paramashiva. Prabhu, I know you are eternal Paramashanta Swarupa. Please manifest in that space, in that state in me. That is what I call Mukti-based Bhakti. Devotion centered on liberation. Liberation centered on devotion. Enlightenment centered on devotion. Devotion centered on enlightenment. Understand these powerful cognitions, if they are filled in you, I can put that fire of initiation. You will explode into that space of Sri Kailasa, manifest Paramashiva any moment. absolute enlightenment, is absolute Shanta, Paramashanta Swarupa. This Atmalinga Mandala process, you see, Atmalinga is that Paramashanta space, the ultimate peace and powerfulness space of Sri Kailasa, is just brought as material and given it to all of you with that same energy of Sri Kailasa. I give you a few minutes. Anybody wants, please register. Programs.nityananda.org Atmalinga. Send an email now. Register now. Or if you want your friends, family to register now, I'll give you a few minutes. Make them register. It will help you to get enlightened. It will help you to achieve Paramashivatva. It will help you to reach the feet of Paramashiva. Please start now. Few minutes. Yes, let's enter into the satsang. Listen carefully. Listen intensely. Shanti-based Shakti, Bhakti-based Mukti, Mukti-centered Bhakti. Bhakti towards Paramashiva to manifest Mukti. Mukti, living enlightenment continuously to have more and more Bhakti. Listen. This thought currents which I am teaching, the ideas I am teaching, the cognitions I am revealing it to all of you can make your inner space manifest Paramashiva and manifest Sri Kailasa in your life. Earlier, whenever I used to give a break during satsang for some program registration, it always will be hundreds, few hundreds. Now it's always few thousands. For e-citizen, to become e-citizen of Sri Kailasa, I gave a break hardly in 7 minutes, 1200 enrollment. Hey. அப்யூசிவ் வீடியோ போடுற அல்லக்கைகளா, மீம்ஸ் போடுற மாம்சுகளா, நீங்க என்ன பண்ணீங்களோ தெரியாதப்பா. கைலாசா பாப்புலர் ஆயிருச்சு. Now it has to become real. Sri Kailasa, with the grace of Paramashiva, Parashakti, Sri Kailasa has to become real. With the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti, it is manifesting. Already started manifesting. Sri Kailasa is manifesting. It will be literally a place like a Disney World. How the Disney World claims most happiest place on the planet Earth. Most blissful powerful spiritual place on the planet Earth will be Sri Kailasa. Soon you will all be able to experience physically, by the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti, you will all be able to experience physically on Bhuloka Sri Kailasa. Sri Kailasa is manifesting on Bhuloka with the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti. Listen carefully. Nothing can be compared to the spiritual depth you build in your life. The integrity to Guru and Paramashiva, integrity to Guru, Linga, Sangha. Nothing can be compared to that. E-citizenship, E-Kailasavasi is a spiritual status. It is nothing to do with political or legal. It is like becoming spiritual member of Kailasa. So all the spiritual benefits of Kailasa will be shared with you all. That is what is fundamentally E-Sri Kailasavasi. To register, to become E-Sri Kailasavasi, go to kailasa.org, E-Sri Kailasavasi. Understand? Through this you can get satsangs regularly, special messages, and your prayers will be offered to Paramashiva directly, and you will be blessed. With the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti, you will receive special spiritual gifts, mandalas. You will be receiving reminders for Nirahara Samyama. Lots of spiritual programs, classes goes on freely from many Kailasas all over the world. I'll give few minutes for anyone who wants to register to become E-Kailasavasi, or invite your friends, family, relatives, anyone, enrich them to be E-Sri Kailasavasi. I give you a few minutes, please do it. Now, I'll connect all of you with Paramashiva and Sri Kailasa. Sit with this powerful cognition. Paramashanta Swarupa Paramashiva. Peace-based power manifestation. Shanti-based Shakti. Bhakti-based Mukti, Mukti-based Bhakti. Sit with these deep, powerful cognitions and connecting with Paramashiva. Intensely chant Mahavagya. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, and connect with Paramashiva and Sri Kailasa. Start.
Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva.
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् My blessings. Let the state, space, powers, being and superconsciousness of Paramashiva manifest in all of us. Let's all enrich as many people as possible to become E-Kailasavasis and Atmalinga Mandala process and receive Atmalinga. Blessings to all of you. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.